Yeah.
Is that sour Skittle good?
Yeah.
You like it?
Me don't like it.
Hmm?
Well, Jerry, what's the damage so far? We may actually make a clone, they say. What happened? The kid almost touched me. She got this close to me. Was it scared of you? She was only 6. I could have been dead.
Kyle, are those Skittles good?
Cheese.
Are those Skittles good? You like them?
They're not. They're not. They're not good. They're hot.
They're hot. I think they're sour.
We've lost 58 boys this week, sir. Kids these days.
You look like you really like those. Looks like he's thoroughly enjoying those Skittles. Skittles are good, aren't they? They good, baby? I think he really likes them.
Slumber party.
Woo!
Well, Jane, that was impressive. Wait, no, just doing my job, Mr. Waterman. Of course, I did learn from the best.
If I don't see a new door at my station in 5 seconds, I will personally put you through the...
Can I have one of those Skittles?
Nice job.
Why?
Numbers are pretty sweet, aren't they? You know, I hadn't even noticed.
You want to keep them all for you?
He's doing great. I love working with that big guy.
They're so sour they hurt your ear.
George and I are like brothers.
Can I have one?
2319.
No cheese.
We'll say cheese then. Look
Cheese.
at me and say cheese. Not at Monsters.